All right, so last year was amazing, but this year promises to be epic. We're live here at SBWA 2023, the 8th annual edition, and it is Inside Gaming Africa here to bring you all the exciting moments of this unique 3-day summit. And trust me, everyone from the iGaming community is gathered here today, from the operators to the regulators to, bettors, investors. Everybody is here at the Federal Palace, Lagos, Nigeria, to share ideas, inside network, and, meet potential investors. Bring your brands, whatever it is. We're all here to network with you and find out what you can do for the iGaming market and industry here in Africa, and we're open to it. I'll be taking you through some amazing interview section, so don't go anywhere. Join me as I take you on this ride. It promises to be an amazing and insightful 3 days. This is Inside Gaming Africa, and I am Zzihi Ekeh. How is the experience so far?
Yeah, experience is quite interesting, exploring, because I'm first time in Africa.
I'm fine today, and being back to Nigeria is incredible. Lagos is home, Nigeria is home, Africa is home, and it's always a joy to come back.
What are the strategies that betting brands and companies can engage, or to get their customers, to be engaged, or their clients to just have that longevity in customer relations?
Absolutely. I would just say just 3 things today. The first one I would say is a call to action. So let's just say you read an article or watch a video, there has to be a call to action for the user that actually prompts them to do something. So that's the first thing I would say, the call to action. The second thing I would say is something that's interactive. Be it a game, be it a short video, it has to engage the user, right? So that's actually a strategy you can use. Make sure the content they are consuming is interactive enough.
What are the plans to how do you get into the grassroots? Those are the questions you should be asking yourself. When you talk about grassroots, you can talk about football. You talk about visiting places like hotels, lounge, where football matches can be watched. When you go there, you are passing across to the grassroots what you are doing. And how do you get to them? You can make use of branded materials, make people happy. By so doing, when you get there, try to introduce games to them. There are several games you can introduce to them. For instance now, the first person to register, you can just give them a link, www.nairabet.com. For instance, the first person to register on the website is going to get so thing. When you have a lot of people watching football, people tend to register.
I'll start from the management skills. You have to be able to handle people, handle people individually, knowing that they are different people. First, understand that, right? Use that to form your niche in how to guide people. You have to be innovative. You have to continue learning, right? You have to know that you're trying to learn from these guys. If you show or present yourself as, I am the country head, so I know more than you, trust me, you're going to fail.
I think there are so many opportunities for growth, but not if you're coming with the mindset of, I'll just do the same as I've always done somewhere else, or I'll do the same as everyone else done. If you don't have an edge, if you don't have some provision that is different, that gives something new to the punters, I don't think you're going to succeed here, because I think that in a market, especially like Nigeria, it's very saturated. There are a huge amount of players here that control the market.
Well, last year was a bit challenging because we just came out from the pandemic, where a lot of people perhaps having financial difficulties and unsure about spending and all that stuff, and it has picked up. As you can see, this year we have a lot more exhibitors, a lot more participants coming from all around the world, because they're sure that the market has recovered in a way.
So from a regulatory point of view, I mean, for investors to come and invest in a country or a jurisdiction, they want to make sure that it's well regulated, because if it's not well regulated, there's not really any protection in these type of things. So most of your investors likes to go into jurisdictions that's well regulated.
What other technological approach can be used, to regulate irresponsible gaming?
So the most basic is self-exclusion, right? So gaming companies can actually incorporate a software on their platform that restricts people access to their site?
Part of the things we can talk about, very, very robust sport book. We have a platform that's so solid that there's almost no betting market that you're looking for that you won't find it. So I'll look at the product specifically and I'll say we have a solid product, and that's a very good thing for players to come and play with us.
See, for those who are already in Nigeria, I want to believe that they would have a registered company, an incorporated company. Then for foreigners, I also must mention that we also want them to have the local contents. That means they should have a Nigerian company which is Nigerian registered in this country.
Like to every sector, having gatherings like this is very important because this gives us a chance to know each other one-on-one, because there are like several of my colleagues that I probably have spoken to online, but I haven't had that physical connection, interaction with them.
Okay, so this one is a win for the team. Kemi, how do you think Bingpe will be feeling right now, knowing that she just picked up an award for female influencer in this iGaming industry?
Okay, right now I'm sure she'll be feeling good because she actually deserves this award. To me, she deserves because she's really been doing so well for the industry to thrive here in Nigeria, and well, I don't see any other person who deserves it more than her.
We feel that Africa has loved us back. We love Africa so much. Africa is home. We are here. We are planning to stay here, and this is just confirmation that this is it for us.
I feel honored to represent the company which proves its presence in the region in the highest levels, and these awards are the proofs of that.
What does this mean to you right now?
Hard work, recognition for hard work for trying to grow the industry, to contributing my own quota to the industry. For everyone that has worked with me and has pushed me all through the year, this award is for them, right? So basically, it's just recognition for hard work.
Well, it has been an amazing time at the SBWA 2023 Day 2. I have had the best time of my life talking to operators, regulators, everyone here today from the iGaming ecosystem who has been gathered here for the SBWA 2023 8th annual edition. It has been an amazing time. I've had insightful and enlightening conversation, and of course all the panel sections today has been very, very enlightening. So it has been generally an amazing time here today. So I am Zzihi Ekeh, and for Inside Gaming Africa, I will be bringing you day 3 of another amazing section of the SBWA 2023. So don't go anywhere. I'll be back here tomorrow with a lovely time. This is Inside Gaming Africa, and I am Zzihi Ekeh.